Hey people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So I know you all heard about the fire at Jamalco yesterday. Jamalco is located at Halls Hall in Maypen, Clarendon. And I know a lot of people are confused about its address because Jamalco sits right beside the community of A's. And so a lot of people believe that Jamalco falls within is, but no, it's not. It is not. Right where Jamalco is located is Maypen right there. So bottom salt, top of salt, mineralites, the whole of the saw come straight down to Jamalco is Maypen. Ace begins a little after you pass Jamalco, right? Okay, so it was not the entire Jamalco that was on fire. It was just one department called Powerhouse, and it was not the entire Powerhouse as well. It was just the middle section. Powerhouse is a small department. It is the smallest department on the plant, basically. And there are not a lot of employees working over there, and most of the employees are electricians because the powerhouse is the department that makes electricity for the plant usage, and a percentage is sold to JPS. So Jamalco makes its own electricity, right? There's a section of a powerhouse that resembles Dungs River Falls in terms of water cascading, right? So basically, powerhouse produces power, compressed air, and steam for the refinery operations. So, what causes the fire? Well, according to the superintendent over there and their expert employees at the powerhouse, you know, they are saying that a flange blew on the bunker C oil line. So, if that is what really happens, well, the fire is not an electrical fire. You understand? But that is what they are saying. But we know that there is more in depth of what really causes the fire. But I don't know if that will, be open to the public. I don't know. Just have to wait on them to see. Even if the employees are employed, our employee knows really what happened, he or she can't really say it. You understand? Okay. So just go with the flange blue, no man. Yeah, man, it was a flange that blew. Alright, so just wait to see if they will give more info though, but make sure that any info you're getting is straight from Jamalco. And not bother with the rumor because there are a lot of rumors out there. Yeah, man. Yes, so that's basically what they are saying. So the plant was basically in darkness for a few hours. However, they managed to start two huge generators. So yeah, man, the generators was up and running by 2 a.m. this morning. Yeah, man. So they are currently working right now and assessing the damages and all of that. Yeah, and people are at work. No one is home because of what happened. Basically, people are at work, and the greatest thing, no one dies, no injuries. Yeah, man, despite what you might see on the internet, because like I say, a lot of rumors are out there. Jamalco always provides training for their employees because it is a high risk plant, so anything liable to happen at any minute, at any second. You understand? And so there are a lot of trainings you don't know. Yeah, man. They teaches you how to react. If unfortunately situation like what happened yesterday arises, you know how to react to it, and run up and down like idiots and put yourself in danger. Yeah, man. So employees of Jamalco are very alert. I mean, a lot of training what to do if an earthquake and everything like that. You always have to be on your P's and on your Q's, very alert. Yeah, man. So that's basically it. Yeah, man, that I can give to the public. So this is Jamalco Monday morning after the cooling down and everything like that. This is Powerhouse. As you can see, only the middle section that was damaged. Lots of damages though. Millions of dollars. Yeah, man. Security guards are placed around the perimeter of Powerhouse. They don't want anybody walking past. So you have to take different routes. The plant is very big, so there are many different places that you can walk. Yeah, so that's basically it. Okay, people, here's a quick update about Team Jamaica at the World Athletics Under 20 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya. The championships have come to an end and we got 11 medals, 3 gold, 6 silver, and 2 bronze. So we got 1 less than what we received at the athletics championship in 2018. Nevertheless, so proud of Team Jamaica. They are the future sprinters, hurdlers, long distance runners, long jumpers, triple jumpers, you name it. Yeah, man, proud of them same way. Congrats, girls and boys. Yeah, man. On a sad note, though, 7 caught the coronavirus. So they had to remain in Kenya until September the 2nd. So speedy recovery to them. The news is that they are not, in critical condition or anything like that. No symptoms to mild symptoms. Yes, that is the current status. Hope it does not change. So again, congrats Team Jamaica. Thanks for watching.